guys, welcome back to my another video. Now we are at the Grand Mall of Muscat. As I was walking through the mall, I saw a cotton candy machine and I wanted one. I bought £1 from my father and decided to take a cotton candy. I put £1 in the machine and waited for the cotton candy. The cotton candy machine showed many options and I chose the flavor for my cotton candy. After selecting the option, the machine slowly began to make the cotton candy. I could see the machine making the cotton candy. Finally, I received the cotton candy and I felt like I want one more and I bought it. I hope that everybody liked my video. Thank you for watching my video.